Hi students, this session is for class 7, subject mathematics, chapter 17 data handling, topic measures of central tendency. Topics covered in this session are introduction of data handling, measures of central tendency. Below the topic measures of central tendency, we are going to discuss mean, median and mode. Data handling in real life. Data is a collection of facts and figures obtained from experiment. For example, collecting max marks of students in 7th standard. These are the students. Let us collect the max mark of these students. Marks scored by the first student is 95, second one is 80, third one is 60 and fourth student is 80. So, this is the collection of facts and figures, which means data. Data handling deals with collection, classification, presentation and interpretation of data, which means we have to collect the information, classify it and present in some of the tabular form, and interpretation means that presentation will give the meaning of the data. Organization of data. Data needs to be recorded and organized in a scientific manner so that it is easy to understand by the viewers. Okay, so data can be presented in the form of text, tables or graphs to understand easily. Max marks are 95, 80, 60 and 80. The collected marks are given as text here. Next, range. The difference between the highest and the lowest values of the given data. We have to find the difference between highest and lowest of the given data. Here data is 95, 80, 60 and 80. So range is equal to the highest value was 95 and the lowest value is 60. So we have to subtract with 95, which is equal to 35. Therefore, the range is 35. Tabulation of data. Systematic arrangement of data in tabular form. If we arrange the data in tabular form, it will be easy for others to understand the data. Central tendency. The tendency of a set of values to be grouped around a single value. Here we have mean, median and mode as central tendency. They provide a single number which is most representative of the entire data. Mean, which is the first central tendency. The arithmetic mean is the sum of all the values in your data divided by the total number of values. Here, arithmetic mean, which can be represented as x bar. X bar is nothing but x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn divided by n. Here, x1, x2, x3 are data which we collected and n refers to number of data. This can be shortly written as sigma x by n. X bar is equal to sigma x by n, where x bar is arithmetic mean, which is equal to sigma x by n. Here this letter E like symbol is given here. This is called sigma. Arithmetic mean, which can be shortly written as AM. Okay. Another name for arithmetic mean are means, or we can call it as average. Okay. The given data is 95, 80, 60, 80. Let us find arithmetic mean for the given data. Shortest form of arithmetic mean is x bar, which is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Mean, which is x bar, is equal to sigma x by n. This is the formula for mean. Here sigma x is the summation, which means we have to add the given data. So which is equal to 95 plus 80 plus 60 plus 80 divided by number of data 4. On adding we get 315 by 4. On dividing 315 by 4, we get the average as 78.75. Therefore, mean, which is x bar, is equal to 78.75. Median. Median is the midpoint of a distribution. If n is an odd number, what is n here? Number of data. Here data are 95, 80, 60, 65, 85. Here number of data is equal to 5. Therefore n is odd. First we have to arrange the data in ascending order to find median. Arrange the data in ascending order: 60, 65, 80, 85, 95. Okay, now what is next? Now n is 5, which is odd number. So the middle distribution is the median. Therefore 80 is the median. Median is equal to 80 for the given data. If n is an even number, what should we do? Let us see. 95, 80, 60, 80 is the given distribution. Okay. Now n is 4. First let us arrange the data in ascending order. Okay. Even the n is even number or odd number, we have to arrange it first in ascending order. Then only we have to proceed to the next step. Now the data are arranged in ascending order, which are 60, 80, 80, 95. If n is even, we have to add the middle two distribution and it should be divided by 2. That is the median. So the middle two distributions are 80 and 80. To find median, we have to add the middle two distribution. If n is even, then the added number should be divided by 2 to get median. So 80 plus 80 by 2, which is equal to 160 by 2. On dividing we get 80. Therefore median is equal to 80. Mode. Mode is the value that occurs most frequently in your data. Here let us take the data 95, 80, 60, 80. We have to arrange in ascending order first as like in median. 60, 80, 80, 95. Here mode is nothing but the data which occurs maximum number of times in the set. Here, which data occurs maximum number of times? Yes, of course, it is 80. 2 times it occurs. The number 80 occurs most frequently in the data, which means maximum number of times occurs in the data. Therefore, mode is equal to 80. Example 9. In a survey of a housing colony, the number of trees in each house was recorded as given below. Tabulate the data and find its mode. The data are 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5. Total number of houses is equal to 40. They have collected the information that number of trees in each house. So we have to form tabular column using the data, and finally we have to find mode for the given data. So let us form tabular column. First one is number of trees, second one tally marks, third one number of houses. Here we have 1 tree in some of the house, 2 in some of the house, 3 in other houses, 4, 5, 6 likewise. So let us take how many houses having 1 tree. Let us count it and arrange it. So let us take number 1. Let us count how many houses having one tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, only 9 houses having one tree. How to arrange in second column tally marks? We know very well that we have to group 5 numbers and we have to write the number on the third column. Okay, so for 9 we have to group first 5. First 4 lines are drawn and the fifth line should be crossed from the top right to the left bottom, like this. So we have one group is equal to 5. So next 4 is arranged like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number of houses having one tree is 9. Next we move on to number 2. So how many houses having 2 trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 houses having 2 trees. Likewise, we have to arrange here in the second column. First 5 is grouped and the next 5 is grouped. So 5 plus 5, 10. Another 4 is arranged here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number is 14. Next we move on to number 3. How many houses having 3 trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 houses. Let us group first 5 and separate the next 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. Now we move on to number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 houses having 4 trees. There is only one group. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is crossed. Therefore 5. Okay. Now how many houses having 5 trees? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 houses. So here we have drawn 1, 2, 3 lines. Next number is 3. And finally number of houses having 6 trees. Let us count it. 1, 2. Only 2 houses. So 2 lines are drawn. The number is 2. Now you have to count the number of houses which should match with the total number of data here. So already we have counted that 40. Now we have to count 9 plus 14 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. Total is 40. Okay, which is matched with it. Now we have to find mode. Mode is nothing but the value which occurs maximum number of time. To find that, look at the third column, number of houses. Here 14 is the highest value, which means 14 houses having 2 trees. Okay, 14 houses having 2 trees. Therefore 14 is the maximum number of times that 2 trees occurs. Okay, so 2 is the mode. Therefore mode is equal to 2 for the given data. Exercise 17.1. Second Roman. Find the arithmetic mean of the following. First sum the first 5 whole numbers. We have to find the arithmetic mean for first 5 whole numbers. Let us move on to the solution. The first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to find arithmetic mean, which is equal to sum of the values divided by total number of values. Arithmetic mean can be written as x bar, which is equal to sum of the values is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We have to add the values, which should be divided by total number of values 5. So On adding, we get x bar is equal to 10 by 5. Now on dividing, we get 2. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 2. Third sum, the first 3 multiples of 7. We have to find arithmetic mean of first 3 multiples of 7. Let us move on to the solution. First 3 multiples of 7 is equal to 7, 14 and 21. Let us find arithmetic mean, which is equal to sum of the values divided by total number of values. X bar is 7 plus 14 plus 21 divided by 3. Number of values is 3. Okay, and adding, we get x bar is equal to 42 by 3. On dividing 42 by 3, we get 14. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 14. Fourth sum, the first 7 prime numbers. Let us move to the solution. The first 7 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Okay. We have to find arithmetic mean for the given prime numbers. Arithmetic mean is equal to sum of the values divided by total number of values. X bar is equal to, we have to add the prime numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 divided by total number of values. Here is 7. So on adding, we get 58 divided by 7. Therefore, x bar is equal to 58 by 7. Dividing 58 by 7, we know that 8.2857 is the quotient. Now we have to round off it to 2 digit after decimal point. So on doing so, we get 2.29. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 2.29. Third sum, find the mean score of a cricketer with the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. Here they have given score of a cricketer in 8 innings. Okay, we have to find the mean score, which means we have to find arithmetic mean. Now let us move to the solution. Mean is equal to sum of the values divided by total number of values. X bar is equal to 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 divided by number of values, which is 8. And adding, we get x bar is equal to 400 by 8. On dividing 400 by 8, we get 50. Okay, we can divide or cancel. You know that 8 5s are 40 and 1 0 is here. We have to add with 5. Doing so, we get 50. Therefore, x bar is equal to 50. The mean score of a cricketer is equal to 50. Therefore, 50 runs. Fourth sum, if the mean of 16, 18, x, 24 and 27 is 18, find x. Let us move to the solution. In the question, they have given that mean, which is x bar, is equal to 18 and the data 16, 18, x, 24 and 27. Here the variable x is the unknown data. We have to find the value of x. We know the formula that mean is equal to sum of the values divided by total number of values. Here mean is 18, which is equal to 16 plus 18 plus x plus 24 plus 27 divided by 5. Now we have to add the values here. 16 plus 18 plus 24 plus 27 is 85 plus the variable x. Now 5 should be brought to the left side, as it is in division on the right side. It should be brought to the left side as multiplication by transposing rule. So 18 into 5 is equal to 85 plus x. Now on multiplying 18 and 5, we get 90 is equal to 85 plus x. Bring 85 to the left hand side. On doing so, we get 90 minus 85 is equal to x. On subtracting, we get 5 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 5. The value of x is 5. Fifth sum, the mean of 5 numbers is 14. 4 of them are 9, 12, 14 and 16. Find the fifth number. Okay, let us move on to the solution here. They have given that mean of 5 numbers is 14, which is x bar is equal to 14, and the 4 numbers are 9, 12, 14, 16. Okay, now we have to find the fifth number. Let the fifth number be x. We know the formula, x bar is equal to sum of the values divided by total number of values. Here x bar is 14, which is equal to sum of the values of 4 numbers plus fifth number x. Therefore, 9 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus x is the sum of the values divided by total number of values 5. So, on adding, we get 9 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus x. We have to add and write in the numerator, and 5 should be transposed to the left side as multiplication. So 14 into 5 is equal to, and adding we get 51 plus x. Now on multiplying 14 and 5, we get 70 is equal to 51 plus x. 51 is transposed to left hand side. On transposing, it becomes minus 51. So 70 minus 51 is equal to x. On subtracting, we get x equal to 19. Therefore, the fifth number is 19. I hope you all have understood the concept. Thank you all.